Draslovka's BlueCube slurry analyzer delivers accurate measurements of mineral composition in real time, enabling informed decision-making for optimized mineral processing. The analyzer is installed in your existing process streams, making our system the simplest, most compact, and lowest maintenance analyzer on the market. Regular calibration samples are taken directly from the stream, automatically. Our technology uses diffuse reflectance spectroscopy together with AI to continuously scan the contents of the slurry stream directly in the pipe, providing measurement updates every 15 seconds. Unlike XRF analyzers, our system has a very small floor space requirement. Our cloud-connected analyzer allows you to view your slurry insights and trends in real time via our customer portal. The BlueCube system requires minimal maintenance as it has only 2 moving parts. Unlike traditional analyzers, our safe, light-based technology doesn't use harmful lasers or radioactive sources. Our system is powered by machine learning models that are regularly calibrated against your lab samples. Gain deep insights into your ore with a wide range of measurements across both light and heavy elements, minerals, percentage solids, and particle size. Get precise mineral measurements for optimized process control with BlueCube.